Thanks for visiting our website. I'm John Fontana. I'm a certified professional geologist, certified well driller, and president and owner of Vista GeoScience. For over 30 years, Vista has been providing our clients with optimized field support services, starting with initial site characterization through remedial design, treatment, and site closure. What sets us apart? Well, we're not just a drilling company. We have a fleet of GeoProbe dual technology direct push auger combo rigs, the most current high-resolution characterization systems, and optimized in-situ injection systems. So we're basically a one-stop shop company that can assist you from initial site characterization through site closure. Our goal is to help you clean up your site in the most cost-effective way possible.